If you're looking for ways to make money without investing a lot of time or effort, here is a video for you. None of these sources of income will make you rich, but they will provide you with some extra cash for a rainy day. Hello, thrill thinkers! Here are 10 ways to make money with little to no effort. Number 1. Sell your stuff. Got clutter around the house? Need some extra cash in your wallet? Why not kill two birds with one stone? Sell unwanted things from your house. Amazon, Poshmark, and eBay are only a few of the many websites to sell your stuff online. Less clutter, more money, win-win! Number 2. Sign up for cashback services. Get paid to shop? What? No way. Yes way. Websites like Ebates and Ibotta give you a small percentage cash back in return for valuable consumer data you're sharing about the things you buy. Number 3. Tutor. Bookworm much? Use your knowledge and expertise in your field to help students in need of one-on-one attention. Tutoring opportunities are available on-site, in-home, or online. Check out care.com for opportunities in your area. Bonus! You can set your own hourly rate. Number 4. Get a credit card. Really? Another way to get paid to shop? Aren't you loving this list? Sign up for credit cards that have rewards that you would take advantage of. Whether you want to use your credit card points to buy things online or go on vacation, make sure to choose your credit card based on how and where your reward points can be used and how likely you are to use them. Be a smart consumer. Number 5. Use your rewards cards for your family and friends. Sign up for rewards cards at your favorite restaurants, stores, and movie theaters. Next time you go shopping with your friends and family, offer to pay using your rewards card and have them reimburse you later. This way you can rack up on rewards without having to spend your own money. Number 6. Airbnb. If you live in a tourist area, you could have potential earnings on Airbnb. Airbnb is a website that creates a marketplace introducing people who have a space to rent with people who would rather not spend another vacation in overpriced and questionable hotel rooms. So, next time you're going away on vacation, rent out your place on Airbnb. Number 7. Sitting for others. Love taking care of other people? A lot of families are looking for reliable and trustworthy help to take care of their loved ones, whether it's senior care, child care, or pet care. Check out care.com for opportunities in your area. Bonus, you can set your own hourly rate. Number 8. Sell handmade items on Etsy. Long gone are the days when people have to travel to craft fairs to display and sell their creations. The craftsmen of today literally have the world marketplace at their fingertips. Use Etsy to show the world your creations. It is especially useful if you are just starting your business and need to build your brand and reach out to your target market. Number 9. Do other people's chores. A lot of people would pay to have their chores done for them, rather than spending the time doing it themselves. TaskRabbit is a website that lets anyone become a handyman. If you have some free time and want to make some extra cash, why not get paid to assemble furniture, mount a TV on a wall, and do other household projects? Number 10. Sign up to be part of a focus group. Are you opinionated? Why not get paid for your opinions? Join a focus group like Respondent or Fieldwork to give your honest feedback about a product, a movie, or an advertisement, and turn your opinions into dollars. These 10 ways to make money require little to no effort and can be done alongside your regular full-time job. If you've tried any of these methods or know of any other ways to earn money, share your experiences in the comment section. Do you know someone who could benefit from this information? Share this video with them. If you found this topic interesting, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.